This new feature enables you to easily hide part and blank geometry when displaying the IPW during toolpath animation, so you can clearly see material removal without displaying unwanted geometry. Previously, you had to go to the Part Navigator to hide the part and blank geometry. In this example, the part and blank are defined as modeled geometry. We'll turn the toolpath display off so we can clearly see the geometry in IPW. Notice that the part and blank geometry are overlaid on the IPW. This can impede your ability to clearly visualize material removal. Typically, all you want to see is the IPW without the interference of the part and blank geometry. Now, you can easily hide the part and/or blank geometry to clearly see only the IPW during toolpath animation. The Hide Part Geometry and Hide Blank Geometry options are new. We'll begin by hiding just the blank geometry. Notice the blank geometry is hidden and only the part geometry is overlaid on the IPW. Next, we'll hide the part geometry as well. Now we see only the IPW with no visual interference from the part and blank geometry. Hide part and blank geometry works regardless of how the part and blank geometry are defined, whether as modeled geometry, assembly components, wave-linked, auto-blank from a bounding box, etc.